Hybrid cloud is a computing environment that connects an organization's on-premise private cloud and third-party public cloud into a single, flexible infrastructure for running the organization's applications and workloads. The mix of public and private cloud resources gives organizations the flexibility to choose the optimal cloud for each application or workload. Workloads move freely between the two clouds as needs change. Organizations can choose to run the sensitive, highly regulated, and mission-critical applications or workloads with reasonably constant performance and capacity requirements on private cloud infrastructure, while deploying the less sensitive and more dynamic workloads on the public cloud. With proper integration and orchestration between the public and private clouds, you can leverage both clouds for the same workload. For example, you can leverage additional public cloud capacity to accommodate a spike in demand for a private cloud application, also known as cloud bursting. The key tenets of a hybrid cloud are interoperability, scalability, and portability. Hybrid cloud is interoperable, which means that the public and private cloud services can understand each other's APIs, configuration, data formats, and forms of authentication and authorization. When there is a spike in demand, a workload running on the private cloud can leverage the additional public cloud capacity, making it scalable. A hybrid cloud is also portable. Since you're no longer locked in with a specific vendor, you can move applications and data not just between on-premise and cloud systems, but also between cloud service providers. Hybrid is about taking the best of both worlds. There are two common types of hybrid clouds: hybrid monocloud and hybrid multi-cloud. A hybrid monocloud is a hybrid cloud with one cloud provider, while a hybrid multi-cloud is an open standards-based stack that can be deployed on any public cloud infrastructure. The difference lies in the flexibility that the hybrid multi-cloud offers organizations to move workloads and environments from one vendor to another. There is also a variant of hybrid multi-cloud called the composite multi-cloud, which makes this flexibility even more granular as it distributes single applications across multiple providers, allowing you to move application components across cloud services and vendors as needed. Hybrid cloud offers significant benefits in areas of security and compliance, scalability and resilience, resource optimization, and cost saving. A hybrid cloud lets organizations deploy highly regulated or sensitive workloads in a private cloud while running the less sensitive workloads on a public cloud. Using a hybrid cloud, you can scale up quickly, inexpensively, and even automatically using the public cloud infrastructure, all without impacting the other workloads running on your private cloud. Because you're not locked in with a specific vendor, and also don't have to make either-or decisions between the different cloud models, you can make the most cost-efficient use of your infrastructure budget. You can maintain workloads where they are most efficient, spin up environments using pay-as-you-go in public cloud, and rapidly adopt new tools as you need them. A typical organization will have a range of applications and workloads spread across private, public, and traditional IT environments. This represents a range of opportunities for optimization via a hybrid cloud approach. Let's look at some increasingly common hybrid cloud use cases. Software as a service integration. Through hybrid integration, organizations are connecting software as a service applications available in the public cloud to their existing public cloud, private cloud, and traditional IT applications to deliver new solutions. Data and AI integration. Organizations today are creating richer and more personal experiences by combining new data sources on the public cloud, such as weather, social, the Internet of Things, CRM, and ERP, with existing data and analytics, machine learning, and AI capabilities. Enhancing legacy apps. An increasing number of organizations are using public cloud services to upgrade their user experience of their on-premises applications and deploy them globally to new devices, while incrementally modernizing their core business systems. VMware migration. More and more organizations are lifting and shifting their on-premises virtualized workloads to a public cloud without conversion or modification to reduce their on-premises data center footprint and position themselves to scale without added capital expense.
Hybrid cloud is a concept that's been around for quite some time, but we're finding that it's becoming increasingly used to architect and modernize existing or legacy applications. According to research, we found that 75% of non-cloud applications will be moving to the cloud in the next 3 years. This goes to say that if you're not already thinking about your hybrid cloud strategy, you may be falling behind.